Yeah, Gaza Nation. I know right now my subscriber them probably I look from yesterday. Some maybe rise the topic about the Can't Lose song where Vybz Kartel drop. Yo. My brother they just a drop unbelievable song after unbelievable song. You hear the song? Can't Lose. Oh, no. Song where if you talk about you know, hype up on yourself or in a form of gimmicks business, you know. As long as dancehall exists, that song they can't stop playing in a dancehall. Because anytime the bad vibes come around, them song they go cut and clear them. No gimmicks business, not dead about it. You know have nobody in a dancehall like Vybz Kartel. Talk through the man who no hear orchestrate lyrics like that, my friend. Oh, it's like it's a script for a movie. It's like you actually see what the man talk about and nothing where you fantasize about. You see it right in front of your eye. Big screen. You know what I mean? Like projector style. No lollipop thing and no joke thing in it. You know what I mean? You don't have nobody in a dancehall will fix up lyrics in a them dynamic fashion, them, my brother, and serve it to the people, them ears. No gimmicks, not the in it, or the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, you know, carefully. Franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what's going on when I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know where it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. I'm the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation. The Can't Lose song. Shellway. Hotter than hell there. Instant classic. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You can't, the body can't deny it. Who I got deny that? What I say? An instant classic. So, what do you hear? When me say, look at Addy, sit down in a Benz, I made it feel like say, a shorty Benz that one there. No, the boss ain't buy them 2 Benz. No gimmicks thing, you know the boss not deal with hype business. You don't know the boss not hype on people when it come to money and vanity. You don't know that all over the years. The 2 decades where the boss are run dancehall. You don't never hear the boss do that yet. Hype on poor people with vanity and money. The boss now roll them type of way there. That's one of the discipline. Why? The boss are for the people them and for the people them and with the people them. You see me, and the people them can't leave the boss alone. At 20 years now and we still are the biggest thing in a dancehall. Furthermore, them look at YouTube where them run down and skin up them teeth. Eh? They look at YouTube thing where them run down and skin up them teeth. Gaza Nation. Eh? A 2 million subscriber the world boss have on that. Very easy. It's like taking candy from a baby. When you never see nobody there behind the bars have such impact on non-music at all, whether in the world, whether where you want to call it, just name it. Just name it. What type of music you want to talk about? That's what I say. Yeah, Gaza Nation. I know that church, Al Pacino right there. You know the Godfather. You see what I say? Yeah. You watch the Godfather? Yeah. I know that church, the big man Al Pacino did there. I know that church, them up the movie. When them in the church and him visit the priest and thing. No gimmicks thing not about it. no for my lollipop thing, but here me I say right about now. Gaza Nation, do you ever see this nowhere over the world where talk about them deal with music business? The world boss stay behind the bars, you know. Hear me now, you know. A 2 million subscriber, you know. Clock on him YouTube Vivo, you know. You see when the world boss, it's when news crack to the public ears, say the world boss free, eh? It's another 2 million subscriber going hook on him YouTube Vivo. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing no dead about it. You know what I mean? You see the first crossover international hit what the world boss do when him come out of prison with any international artist. That going make put a next 5 million pan him Vivo. So I'm gonna have like 9 million this already. No gimmicks business no dead about it. The first interview where the world boss do with any media outlet or journalist anywhere over the world, it going put a next 3 million. You see what I say? Pan him Vivo. So that way make the boss have 12 million. You see what I say? And listen to me now. The first show where the boss do anywhere at all over in the world, Jamaica, anywhere. You see what I say? Eh? It going to put our next 5 million on the boss thing, my brother. No gimmicks thing, not no about it. So several blood clot million, that no bumbo clot gimmicks business. And the first time the boss go live on Instagram, YouTube, whatever you want to call it. The first time the boss I go live. Eh? It's another 2 blood clot million, that's around 20 million that before the blood clot here clock out. If the boss drop a road and no joke thing or anytime him forward. It's not going to be the same, my brother. It's impossible for it to be the same. This man can't be behind the bars and not dominate so much. Then want him to win him forward. You know, see a loud blood clot explosion. So when some artists and some look up man, I try for badmind the boss, that the boss have to put it in a song and I make YouTube know for S out all them mother and all them shit there. And I know joking, my brother. You can't stop greatness. It's impossible for the boss lose right now. Oh am I gonna lose? The boss never get a chance to spend off him blood clot money. So how the boss are gonna lose? The boss are born winner, my brother. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know what I mean? And Shorty smart, no blood clot. Shorty not squander the blood clot money. Eh? A be an investment, a be a business, you know what I mean? A be a concrete structure thing and a lollipop thing. Yo, I say the song bad no bumper ass clot. You know what I mean? And then some artists go like say, them feel like well then, them can talk up their mouth when them get a look of hype or 2 look of hype for some look of song where them drop. You know what I mean? Feel like them can get bright. Yo, you can't orchestrate nothing like them shit, them, my brother. A basic rhyme, you have and simple rhymes. You know what I mean? Listen to quality. Which one of you can take that story and fix it like that? Which one of you can take a story and fix it like that? You can go on, baby girl. You see what I say? Which one of you can take them story there and fix it like that? You know what I mean? In a such dynamic fashion, with such quality. You know what I mean? With nothing but the pure truth. And I don't know where I add up nor make up nor fantasize about. Eh? Which one of you know a real thing the man I talk about in the song? Everything where you hear the man I sing about in the song a real reality thing. Tell me which one of you know can orchestrate such magical bumbuckler, genius, rascal, phenomenal stuff. Eh? Eh? A basic shit you no go on with. So when time when you hear man talk about the world boss, just know say I don't know form a lollipop thing. And most of you where you hear love run up on the mouth and I chat about music. Yo, you have to respect blood clot greatness when you don't see that bumper ass clot. That's what I say, because here we go on. Respect to all of the dancehall artists them. But they never have nobody who do this bumper clot. Never in a no form of genre music at all. That's what I say. That itself alone a blood clot history. Here we go on Gaza Nation. At the general, you know, the 10-star one. I wanna know how I represent already. Bless up on yourself on the Sunday morning. What? Can't lose. Impossible shit. 10-star. General. Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. What? Thank you.